Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the camera and computer. First, make sure the battery is charged to at least 50% or attach the AC adapter so power won't cut out during the update. Next, check your A7 IV model and current firmware in the menu so you download the exact file. Then, on your computer, download the official Sony firmware for the A7 IV and unzip it. Once done, you're ready to move to the file transfer step. You now transfer and run the installer. Connect the camera via USB-C or remove the SD card and copy the firmware file into the root directory. Sony instructions follow the downloaded README. Once the file is in place, go to Menu Setup Version and choose Update. The camera will detect the new firmware. Confirm to start installation and make sure you do not power off or disconnect. This step writes system files, so patience ensures a clean upgrade. You finish by verifying and resolving problems. After the camera restarts, go back to Menu Setup Version to confirm the new firmware number. This assures the update succeeded. If you notice odd behavior, make sure to reset custom settings or reinitialize while preserving backups of your preferences. If the update fails or gets interrupted, retry using a fully charged battery or AC adapter and the correct firmware file. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.